got down.
How about a grits and gravy? You got a copy? 808 Colorado. Negative contact, grits and gravy.
5-1, take care. Sounding good, too. You pump it up. You're doing what you got to do. Take care, 5-1. Sounding real good. I'm going to get this thing back quiet. 5-1. Grits and mash. Grits and gravy got down.
How about a grits and gravy? 808.
Hello, 808. 808. I think you're in Montana, too. Hello, 808. Oh, grits is waving. Come on.
Rocky Mountains, man, Colorado Springs. I'll see you, grits and gravy, Massachusetts, 808 Rocky Mountain, Mobile, back out.
And that's the Roger 808 Colorado Springs. I got you that time, too. 808. I should have known that, too. Hello, 808, my friend in Colorado Springs. Sounding good in that Mobile. Oh, grits is waving. I'm gone.
We got a 2-pill on with the engine off. Hey, grits and gravy, 2-pill, engine off. Aloha.
You say you got a 2-pill on with the engine off. 808. I wish I had something that would run like that. 808. Don't burn your battery out. Take care, 808. 2 pills with the doggone engine off. God bless. Have a good one. Your grits is gone.
Check on that. Well, I got 3 yellow tops, so I could probably talk for an hour. I'll see you, grits. We're 10-7. Aloha. Here we go.
Bye, 808.
Engine off.
Tell everybody we're in the Rockies. Oh, grits and gravy waves and all of them. And I'm gone. I'll see you. Bye, 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 bye.
Bye-bye. I'll pass the 5. I'm 10-7. Here you go. Just the 2-pill. Two-pill, engine off. Illegal. Illegal key up. 10-7.